Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza using simple tortilla wraps. This easy method is perfect for a quick meal or snack. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite tortilla wraps, pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and any toppings you desire. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Finally, prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper for a non-stick surface and easy cleanup. Now it's time to assemble your pizza. Take one tortilla wrap and place it flat on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Then, spread approximately 2 tablespoons of your preferred pizza sauce evenly across the tortilla, leaving a small border. Next, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, add your chosen toppings, like mini pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, or bell peppers, ensuring they are distributed well. With your pizza assembled, it's time to bake it to perfection. Carefully slide the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Allow the pizza to bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is melted, bubbly, and has a lovely golden brown color. Keep a close eye on it during the last few minutes to ensure the tortilla edges do not become too crispy or burn. Once baked, carefully remove your delicious tortilla pizza from the oven. Let it cool on the baking sheet for just about 1 minute to set. Then, using a pizza cutter, slice your crispy pizza into 4 equal, manageable pieces. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh for the best flavor and texture. This incredibly quick and easy method is perfect for a satisfying snack or a light, customizable meal anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.